forget, today is Lobster Day on the Utopia, your first day. Lobster, peel and eat shrimp for lunch. One day only. Be happy, Stephanie! Where are we going, babe?
We're going to dinner. It's our first night on the ship, so here we go. Bang, bang, there you go.
Our first of two back-to-backs.
Yeah, we're ready. I'm hungry.
Going to Din Din. We'll
Let's
bring you
go.
that menu right about
Now.
It's a little rough out there tonight. Terry got the fried chicken appetizer. I got the tomato soup and the escargot. Terry got the prime rib. That looks good. And I got the fillet fish. Alright, Terry got the cheesecake. I got the cheesecake brought out by the maitre d'.